Hey guys, so that concept of playing a solo with third and sixths, this is, I'm just adding another tool to the toolbox, alright? So the thirds and the sixths basically is you're just going to play part of a bar chord like this, or if you think of bar chords like that, both the first finger and this finger. So over a G, you play this, just these two. I'm on 1 and 3. And you can play them together. Conceptually, Van Morrison's Brown Eyed Girl does the those are thirds and sixths that they're playing, okay? So what you start getting patterns in there that you kind of discover that you like. So this is, again, it's the bottom of a bar chord G. And then when I jump there, that's actually the A minor, or this A minor, but I'm only playing the 2, right? And then I got a B minor, and behind it I got 2. So I learned it. I was like, well, okay, once I find this is my anchor, my magnet, I know I can do something like that. You know what I mean? And then when it comes up to the C, I slide into a C, but I slide here. Or if I wanted, I could start, I could start any of those notes, and behind it, I got that same thing, okay? So those are on strings 1 and 3. There's my E minor. I can also do the same thing on strings 2 and 4, and it sounds a little bit different. So here's the G. It's really high and tinny, but it might cut through the mix nicely. Here's a little, warmer. And so either of those work. I'm on 12 for the G. It's basically a G chord, right? But I'm just playing those two. The relationship changes because now I slide up, I only got 1. And any of those little dissonants, the little ones that don't sound right, they'll sound cool in a solo. So one thing you might do is find a line you like. That's that, and then you harmonize it, or you figure out which ones sound good with it. Or I like this. I like in that chord progression I'm going to do here in a minute. That's the one that I like. So I'm just going to mess around with it, and it's just it's like the pentatonic. You can go 1,000 different ways, but that's the concept. All right. Here's the progression that I thought that I heard, alright? So let me just record it down. I got a loop pedal going. So I got G, A minor, C, back to it, G. Okay, so that's going. There's my A minor, here's G. I don't like that one. So for example, I like that last little line that if I did that down on this line, it would be you just have to work out a little bit differently, right? You can also drop little lines like pentatonic lines in there, right? So you slide up to say again, it's just process of discovery, right? And then you'll just fall into the patterns that you like. Just gives you a little option. And on the progression, it sounds, it's not really busy and not like Rat's Nest or something like that, right? It's just kind of more grooving and kick back. So that's why the thirds to me lend themselves to that. And just even one with a vibrato and letting it ring, sliding right in. So I'm going to do that. I'm just going to play the root of each chord. Okay, with that. So we got 1, 2, 3, and. And it's just finding those moments of resolution, right? And who cares how you walk, how many steps, like a pentatonic. As long as you hit the resolution at the right moment, it doesn't matter if you slide 1, slide 2, or slide down to it, as long as it's there, right? So think of the bar shapes, and you might even, I remember doing this, I remember going G, A minor, B, C, D, E minor, F, G, right? And you can also, you don't have to hit them, I like them ringing together, but you can go, just depends on what the vibe is, right? All right, cool. I hope that helps. I hope it's something useful. I can't wait to see you guys this summer in Jam. Bye.